How to restore the deleted Viber messages on your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to restore your messages from the Viber application on Android device, here is the process. First and foremost, make sure you have a stable internet connection. After that, launch your Viber application, which should also be updated to the latest version. Once updated, tap on this more icon, which is on the bottom right, which is three dots. Scroll down until you find settings. Tap on settings and after that on account. Now you have to choose the option of Viber backup. Make sure you have previously backed up Viber messages to Google Drive. Now tap on restore, then on the restore now button. Wait for the restoration process to complete. Once completed, your chat history will be restored. But make sure account for backup has been set up as well. Once all of this is done, you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.